We have to talk about the freeze and the thaw.
It is.
We're in a thaw phase right now,
are.
but the freeze could be coming this weekend.
And, you know, I know the folks at DPW probably don't want to hear me say this, but
nobody wants to hear you say it.
But we paid a visit to Southport Elementary with the 13 Weather Academy, and I told them we live in the best place for weather because we can have snow one day and 2 days later be in the 60s and then the next day be in the 70s.
Yeah.
That's exactly what happened this week.
And have potholes all over the place because of it.
Because of that. And we do have some more ups and downs to discuss in the 7-day forecast. As John pointed out, we are on an upswing. Yes, we started the work week with snow on Monday morning, made it into the 60s yesterday. We were in the 70s today. We're still at 67 degrees. Winds have diminished just a little bit. They're out of the south-southwest at 11, but it's still forecast to be breezy during the day tomorrow. Today's high temperature made it to 78 degrees. Our low this morning was 50. Most of us won't fall below 60 degrees. First thing tomorrow morning, we will be in the upper 50s and low 60s. Today's high 78. Friday forecast 78. It has been a while since we've had 2 days in a row at or above 70 degrees, almost 6 months, October of last year. Some weekend changes will include some rain chances and some colder air. We'll look ahead in just a second. Let's start with your Friday forecast. Near 60 at 8 a.m. with sunshine. There's that breeze kicking in as the sun comes up out of the south-southwest, 20-25 miles per hour. 70 degrees by lunchtime tomorrow, and much like today, we will be back into the upper 70s. Outside chance for a stray shower across the northern half of the state tomorrow afternoon, early evening, not forecast to amount to much. The bigger storm system developing out to our west. This will be responsible for severe storms and some heavy snow. You can see it all taking shape with Future Track 13. That severe threat stays out to our west tomorrow. Will have an impact for central Indiana as we start the weekend. On our scale of 1 to 5, we're at a 1. Right now, thinking that first wave of rain and storms arrives late tomorrow night and early Saturday. This is Saturday at 4 a.m., Saturday at 7 a.m. This wave moves out. We may get a few dry hours before the next wave arrives. A day to stay weather aware as we can't rule out some strong to severe storms, and we'll keep you updated on the timing as you make your Saturday plans. Warm and windy, 78 tomorrow. Rain and storms on Saturday, 71. Rain sticks around for the end of the weekend. Sunday will be much cooler, 54. There's the down days, especially on Monday with snow showers at a high of 40, but we warm right back close to 60 with sunshine Tuesday.